Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? By the way, on this account, I was in a drawdown of 750 yesterday. I did a huge mistake. I DCA'd when the market went down. I was biased to buy, and then shortly after, I could recover, which is nice. I'm not a scalper. I like to catch large moves. The only indicator I use is the trigger point. Only the trigger point. This is the only indicator I use. I feel confident to stay in this long trade because I can see RTY is at support and YM is at support and ES is at support. The market is about to open. We don't know what's going to happen, but let's see. Okay, what I can see now is that there are strong buyers here on RTY, YM, ES resistance broke. There's no reason for me to chicken out and get out. However, when RTY hits its resistance, I'll need to trade my stop loss carefully. The market will open in 1 minute. We need to see.
Good morning. Good morning, Efrat.
Good morning.
Great. Okay, market is just gonna open.
Yes, the market
It's
opened.
time. This is time. Russell is moving.
It's moving to support. Now I need to see if it breaks. I need to try my stop loss quickly.
Russell just broke that support. Oh, and arriving to the next one. Now it's gonna be interesting.
Okay, I'm out. Enough. Consistency.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Then
now it's your turn.
Okay, okay.
Good luck.
Yeah. So it looks at market. There had to be big news because I can see that at my time, so it was around 8 to 10 or 8 to 7 big candles, huge ones. So I'm gonna check out the news. And today is Friday. $2:30 my time, we get unemployment claims. That's interesting, 2:30 my time. That was a time. And we had the news here, or the reaction before. That's interesting. Pending house sales at 10 a.m. East, 10:30 natural gas storage, 10:40 FOMC member, and 5 crude oil inventories. Okay, that means lots of news. And at 8 my time, so it's gonna be probably 2 p.m. East, it's gonna be FOMC member Kugler speaks. Lots of news. Yeah, there was news, just interesting part. The news came out at this point, and before that, 20 minutes before that, we had a huge drop.
Hi, everyone. There
Hi,
was this.
hello.
Hi, how you doing, Demonshkush?
Good, thank you. Good.
There was news. It was PCE, personal consumption expenditures. So
PCE.
that was the news.
Yeah, but it was at 8:10.
Donald Trump tweeted that China broke the agreement on his Truth Social, and that's what rocked it.
Oh, we have to follow the Trump tweets. I need to get an account and see what he does. Interesting. 905, we have a level ES. Price just came up to it. And bounce back. Probably this afternoon, I mean this morning or Friday, is just day of the small trades. Nasdaq is starting to go down. Russell is going down. So just watch the levels and just go for level to level. I got some evils because we have this 90% off. So I bought some. Let's see if market is moving so well. Let's see. 137. So like everything is going down. So Russell is getting close to the support. Let's see. Oh, it was too close. What happened here? Let's see if I can find the line and get short from the, yeah, I could have gone short from here. And we try to go, yeah, from line to line. Let's see. From line to line, or in the 300 area. Go a little bit about it. And for Russell will reach the support. Okay, that was the break-even stop, but got in after 5 points. This is a yes. It has the room to go upside. Let's say this line. If we get a fill, then we go target that line. That is still fast. 5 points already. Might have been. You never know. To take 5 points. Or just wait. We'll see. Line
So
to
Marcos,
line.
you can use the correlated instruments to estimate your profit target.
Yeah, I just want to go from line to line.
Okay, but you're going from line to line, but on correlated ones,
Yeah.
it's also from line to line, no?
Yeah. Too many things to watch out for. But
I'm sorry.
otherwise, yes.
You say trading is not easy?
That's what I say, yeah.
I'm sorry.
And we are keep going down. Okay, but we had a good trade from this line, trigger point, to the next one. 15 points. That's nice. We had a small loser when I got in here. Market is fast. It's going up. Next line, 05 level. Volume is going up. The Russell just got slowed down. I still think we can go down even further. As it came up again. ES came up to the 900 level, to the tick, to the line, trigger point, and then got down. On the Russell, we have lots of resistance, so let's see. Okay, break-even stop. It was fast, very fast. This line, small trade. Oh, and Russell got below resistance. That's good. I should have kept it. I mean, it's still fast. Market is very fast. I would go short from this line on the ES, definitely. Let's see what market does. Oh, Nasdaq went down very nicely. I missed that. Let's take a look at if we can get in. YM is above everything. That's why I think that we might have a chance to go up. Where is my take profit? No take profit. What happened with that? I don't like that. Reveal. I don't know why sometimes these ATM strategies just disappear. I don't like when it disappears. And I still believe, I still believe in the downside. That's interesting. Russia came up all these resistance. Might be just like a false breakout. YM is above everything. Russell is trying to go, or just struggling. Let's see, ES. ES could go up a little, 900 level. Comes up to the next line. I'm gonna go short. Yeah, that would have been great. Then 3 for a couple of points. Where its ATM strategy disappeared. I don't like that. Let's see if it would go all the way or not. $300 level. That's why it's so difficult for it. ES is getting close to the levels. 84, 10 points. That's good. Where is my stop? 7 points. Okay. Order filled. It's why does this change all the time? Let's see what happens with this. We just take that breaking stop and they're going down. Yeah. Let's see, but I might just break all these levels. Oh, it's too fast. Move it to break even. Oh, and that would have been a great trade. Why does this ATM strategy always disappear when I move to another chart? Okay, so when I move to the left, then it disappears. Come back, it disappears. When I move to the right, it stays. For me, it would have been a great trade. Let's see what they do. This is called you still can go down. Let's see if I want to come back to these lines. I just took that almost 10 points. YM is getting close to the support. That's why I chickened out. I did 12. It was okay. Let's see what happens. Oh, yes, for me, I had a great entry at here. We came back to this line, almost 10 points. I just chickened out. I don't like drawdowns. But that would have been a great trade. Trade of the day. If you don't do anything else, just this. Short 905 level trigger point. Oh, and Nasdaq is still going. Game up. YM, if you get support, doesn't mean anything. Nasdaq is going down. Going down. Yes, lots of lines, lots of trigger points. I could stop for a minute. This is YM. Came up almost to this line. 260, we went up to 264. I mean, the line was at 264, we went up to 261. Very close, very close. Phew. We are moving strongly. Moving down. Oh, it might be news. No, no news. Where is my ATM? No ATM. I just don't understand this. And I don't like it. 9 point, 10 point. Okay, I took the other 10 point for 9. Why am I zooming just short of resistance 1? Says Luis, went long and Q. Here, still going down. Okay, guys, so this is, I'm going to next account. I made 615, but this is an eval, but I don't want to do it. I mean, I could do it in one day. That would be nice. Oh, and we went back to this. Very nice, very nice. Next level, level to level. Okay, so, and why this ATM strategy changes back to none all the time? We don't know that. Okay, let's see, next one. 36. Okay. Now here we go. YM. Someone said res one, just short of res one. Yeah, this would have been a great place to go short. Didn't get up there. But it was close, very close. Okay, very nice. Yes, just bonus of the level. The green one, that's today's. The green is today's level. And yeah, it was already once it. Very nice. From 85, it should come up to this 92 area, 93. YL is again above everything. Russell, I think I traded 2061. That's interesting. Yes, it's moving further than NASDAQ. Just slow down, but it's very nice to the tick. See, guys, to the tick. Just touch it and it comes up. Yes, it's in the next level. Something happening on the market. Getting ready to short. I mean, the next level would be perfect. Out of field. There are too many letters. I cannot see where we are. I just don't like it. Too many letters. I hope effort will figure out something. Okay, guys. I just got out. It was like my stop. I just didn't like it. It might be good, though. I just don't like these letters. I made very small on the exact chart so I could see where the price is. When I do this, then price just disappears. Oh, it would have been good. Let's see if it would go down or not. Where is my style? Positive stop. That's okay. Looks this market found some kind of bottom here. But if I look at Russell, it looks as we want to go down even further. Oh, Nasdaq just came up to this level, tries to go down. News. News is coming in 4 minutes. Okay, we just wait for that. So we just might wait for the news. Price wants to go up. 95 area, it came 91. 3-4 points, it would have been great. YM came back to these highs, active support, went up nicely. That was probably that was a Trump thing, what you told about. And then this was news, we came up, and then that was the open. And now we are ranging, waiting for the other news. And we'll see what happens. There's the graph is going down. That means that Nasdaq should also go down, but it does not. Yes, games up. I would say it would go down from this line. Let's see for a couple of points. Everything is down. YM is arriving to these lines again. For a couple of points, it was good. Of course, from the line would have been even much better. Now, news. This is news. See, guys, this is the news. Big move. I wonder which way we'll go. Up, up, up. looks. This is the news. Yeah. News. Let me see what it was. Consumer sentiment. Better than expected. Man, that's a huge move. 20, 30 points. He has cut up too. Market looks strong. Let's go up and up. Now let's see. 05 level. Russell is close. Very close. Oh, it shoot up high. 320, 25.
So the Monkosh, it looks like you had a CTP signal of support 0 correlated with support 1 of NQ. Support 0 of ES
Yeah,
and support 1 of NQ.
You need to figure it out. I just put the new super CTP on it, but no signals at all. No, nothing on my chart.
Because you had to define the instruments. I guess the settings are incorrect.
I did. I thought I do everything. I put
YM?
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 No.
It's interesting. It's interesting.
I put it ES and NASDAQ. That's what I did.
On ES, you put ES? It's
No,
also
on ES
interesting.
I put
You don't want the indicator to work in this case. It will give you lots of signals.
No,
Here is the long signal. You see
Oh,
the long
nice.
signal?
See, that's interesting because in the morning I did that. Oh, here we have. Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice.
This signal does not lag, guys. The signals do not lag.
Then I'm going to check the indicator on NASDAQ because probably it's us. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And that's good. No, I'm thinking about NASDAQ. Put on NASDAQ instead of YM, I'm going to put Bitcoin here because I have a feeling that with Bitcoin, it correlates a lot. Future.
It does, but you have to check the use instrument 3. It's interesting, yeah, on use. You have to check the use instrument 3.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. No, but you only correlate NQRTY and ES. You didn't check the Bitcoin.
NQ. No, I did. On NQ, I did the.
No, open the indicator.
Yeah.
And you can see use
NQRTY
instrument 3.
Bitcoin.
Yeah, but you have to check.
Oh,
exactly.
Check it. Oh, nice, good. Okay. Oh, but it disappeared. All the signals disappeared. Then I just change it back to via
Okay.
indices. Do this with via. See, now I have signals. That's good. That's good. And on gold, I remember it in the morning I did that, but then it changed it back. Okay, so it's going to be gold. It's going to be silver. No, it's copper. That's good. Let me do silver. Yeah, copper, silver, and platinum. Let's say platinum futures.
We do not support platinum for CTP yet. We will next week.
Then on gold, what do you suggest? Silver, copper?
And that's it.
Anything else? That's it. Okay. Let's see. Calculating. Oh, one beautiful signal there.
Wow.
That's good. But I was
almost the high of the day. Yeah, the high of the day. Wow.
Yeah, the high of the day. I was sleeping. No, it was for somebody else. Oh, now we have a buy. Let's see on the yes. And let's see if you want to take it or not.
Look at the signals, Domonkosh. Look at them.
I look at them.
Look how beautiful they are.
Yeah, that's why I'm taking it. And see what happens with it. Just Efrat, I'm not sure if you can see that all these letters and numbers here.
Yes,
I would like to make it disappear.
Only the letters? Only the text?
Letters and numbers, everything. It just messes up my chart.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, you're FOMOing.
Yeah, because I could not get in from here. Because it was just by one tick. I missed the trade. But I put another one.
Guys, these are the CTP signals. What you see on your chart, you can see the arrow is produced a few seconds or minutes before the market hit the level. So the signals, most of them do not lag. Most of them, if not all of them. Yeah, all of them do not lag.
They don't lag. No. My stop is very close. I would say it's too close. But we'll see. Let's see what happens with it. Oh, Russell is at resistance, so I just get out. But that was a beautiful signal too, and we could see it in live action. And actually, it was 0.75. So it had 3 ticks that I didn't get any fill. That's why I FOMOed a little bit. But we could have done that. We just wait for the candle to close, because that's when we got the signal. And that would have been my entry, 06.5. Anyway, I'm doing okay right now. I'm doing okay because I'm just handling it as just real accounts, 615, 220 on the other one. And if I have another signal, I'm going to take it. Nah, it was a beautiful tool. And NASDAQ just came down 330, and it went up to the next line, 49, 19 points. Oh, that'd be nice. 19 points on NASDAQ, $380 on one contract. This is a time when you can make some evals to make it live. Because, for example, 380 on one contract, you take the 4, the mini account, that's maximum, and you're done. That's, of course, high risk, high leverage, but still, oh, look at that. We'll just come back to this line. Let's see. Let's see how far we get. Russell should break it. I would be more confident if this breaks this line. Because NASDAQ might come back.
This means you are a great CTP student. Now, you understand why you felt more confident if RTY would break its resistance.
Yeah,
because look what NQ did. What NQ did.
Yeah, I can understand a lot of things. That's okay. Just I'm not saying that I can act like it, but I understand many things now.
And you see that it works.
Yeah, and now this should go up even higher.
Oh, NQ broke, great.
Yeah,
if RTY broke, then you're good.
Yeah.
And your short trade should work. Here we
No,
go.
my long. This is
yeah,
long.
long. I'm sorry, long. Yeah, you broke its resistance, so it's great.
Yeah,
for you.
Yeah, it's interesting to take the 5. Yeah, I could have taken the 5 points, and
this might be the retest of RTY. This small retracement. You need to see if it is the retest of RTY.
Yeah, it could be.
It could be. Yeah. NQ is very volatile, so RTY's retest is downtrend of NQ.
Yeah. Yeah, too volatile. But if it just a retest, then we could go up much higher. YM still has room to go up. See, this was the big move, Trump, and then we are going up higher. We'll see. Could be, yeah. You take the 5 points or just wait? That is the question. Oh, now it's moving. Oh, look at that, 25 points. Biggest trade of my life. 25, 27, 28. Magic. This is when magic happens. 815. Move on to the next account.
So my CTP analysis worked out?
It was my analysis, but it worked out, yes.
No,
Yes.
it's mine, no.
It was mine. It was mine. Okay, you helped me just a little bit, but it was mine because I was in the trade. So it was my trade. And I was 48, 10 points in drawdown.
Yeah, but I told
And
you,
I,
don't be afraid of the RTY's retest. NQ will go up. I told you.
Yeah. It was
Yeah,
10
this
points
small bounce
drawdown.
of NQ is RTY's retest.
Yeah, and it was 30 points profit. So that was a good risk reward because that's what I need to practice. That usually my risk to reward is not the best, but right now it was 10 points drawdown and 30 points profit. So it
Yeah,
was,
Domorkos, but your stop loss is my profit target.
yeah, but not this time. This time was I left it going. That's nice. That's nice. And actually, we don't need more than that. I mean,
Yeah, just move to a new account. This is what I'm doing.
yeah, that's what I'm doing. I found another one. I have two other ones. I'm just sad that this trade, I didn't take it on my PA account. But this morning, I already made 182 on my PA account, and I didn't want to mess it up. But that would have been very nice. Anyway, so that was a good signal. That was a good one too before. And
this was wrong one.
That was a wrong one, yeah. That was a very good one.
Yeah, and this is another one, yeah.
Yeah, but I also consider this one good because very small drawdown, let's see, from 69 to 77, let's say 10 points drawdown, and it went 20 points in my favor. So I would have been out.
It's a good signal.
Good signal, yeah. So 1, 2, yeah, 2 winners, one loser, and then 2 winners again. That's good. I mean, and let's see, this one is also a winner because from trigger point to the next trigger point, 15, 16 points, very nice. So since we opened up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 signals, that's interesting, 6 signals, and we had 1 winner, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 winners and 1 loser. So if I don't do anything else, just go 1-to-1 risk to reward, and I could define my risk, let's say, always 200, because that's what I'm risking, or that's what I like to risk, 200, and get the 200, and I had 6 trades, 5 was okay, it's 1,000, 1 losing, 800. That's it, and then I don't need
and
to...
this is the super CTP, Domorkos, you see, it analyzes 4 instruments, not 3, 4 of them.
Yeah, that's good, it's good. Nice signals. And actually, if we go back, I can take a look at all the others. Okay, that's gonna be an experiment. We go back in time. We go back in time because this was a 49, 35, so I would have gotten 10 points. Yeah, 1-to-1 works. This signal here, perfect one here, because when I got this signal, buy limit would be here. Up to the next line, very nice. 19 points, perfect. So this is good to me. This is also, this never got filled. Question is, Efrat, if we got the signal here, do we take the trade after an hour? Or
no, when it already had large movement. I mean, look at the movement after the signal. No.
Yeah.
No, but it depends on what the other instruments did. Maybe I'd jump on this trade. Maybe. It depends on the other instruments.
Yeah. Anyway, that was very nice. Let me see the London session. Oh, we had signals there. Good. The signal, that's when I woke up. Good. And I could have entered here after the open, London open. Perfect signal. 1, good. 400 points. 18 points. That's a lot. Okay, next one. After 7 minutes, also good. And we had this signal.
Yeah, it didn't fill.
Yeah, I mean, this never got filled, but I mean, this one was this good. This is here. That's nice. So in the London session, we got two winners. That's good. Nice. Nasdaq, very nice. Market slowed down a little bit. Okay, so we have time to take a London session. Yes. Yes, London session. Oh, and yeah, this is my this is my code for the Apex account, 90% off if you want to get it, guys. In the morning, I showed that to some people. Oh, but that was a nice signal. And I was here. Yeah. That's interesting. That would have been enough for me. 05, went up to the VWAP, 09, 4 points. In the London session, if I can get 4 points, $200, that's perfect to me. That was nice. Okay, so two winners on Nasdaq and one winner on ES. That's nice. That's good. What about gold? Just one signal up there.
You only need one at the high of the day, Domankos.
Yeah, I know.
That's all
but-
you need.
Yeah, but if I'm sleeping, it doesn't really matter.
I'm
But you
sorry.
could have taken this trade instead of me, for me.
The Super CTP bot would have taken this trade for you.
Okay, I don't have that yet. I need a VPS for it, or I just need to get my computer open and leave it open. But the bot, do you have the bot?
Yes, but
you-
I'm not sharing with you.
Oh, okay. But you are just printing money. Market got very slow, guys. But that's okay. Slowly we are going up. We are going to stop here for a second. Yesterday's high. Actually, we don't really need to take any more trades. 600, 800. My plan is that I have these 4 evals and do at least 2 or 3 to turn them to PA account. And guys, I'm not sure if you heard the Apex. John had a video out about the affiliates and all these accounts that they stopped giving out accounts to people who trade too many accounts and use luck.
Domankos, can you show our audience the ES signal of red 33? It was generated 3 bars before. You see that
This
the
one.
signal, you see that the signal does not lag.
Yeah,
Where the arrow is?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the arrow is at my time,
Exactly.
7 minutes after 2 p.m. So that
Exactly.
means 8
Then you
minutes.
had 2
or
minutes.
7. Yeah, and then you had 2 candles to get in if you wanted to
Exactly.
get in.
You see, guys, the signals do not lag. They are not produced when the big red candle closes, like all the indicators.
Yeah, it was produced here. But
Here.
Efrat, the question is that did you talk to Trump at this time?
Yes, I did. We
And
moved
then
the market
you
together.
told him, you told him that you need to tweet something because I have a sell signal, so please.
Exactly.
From
No, he
20.
has my indicators.
Oh, yes, that's good. So the drawdown was just 1 point, and then it started to move.
Yeah.
And then
So
moved
he
up.
he put a super CTP, and then
Oh, Trump was waiting for the signal, and after that, he knew that he needed to start
exactly.
something. He needed to tweet something, and then he was thinking about what a stupid thing I can do, and then he tweeted something. That's good. That's good. I saw a small video on Facebook that Trump was telling everybody that how much money he earned with his friends and the first time he got elected, and then he was tweeting about all these tariffs. And then he was bragging that he made so much money on that. And I can imagine that if somebody knows what he's going to do, then he can anticipate and earn a lot. I'm in Efrat, for example, you at this time. I was not here, unfortunately, but that was a beautiful signal. Very nice. 20 and a half. And the first trigger point was 0525. So 15 points for me. And then for you, the rest. 30 points or 20, sorry, 20. I'll find 25. 30 points. That's 35. Okay, nice move.
Nice move. The Domažkoš, is it micros or minis? What are you trading there?
But right now, I traded minis.
Minis, right.
Minis, because I bought some evils, the 90% off, and I was trading minis. But every of my trade was good so far, or I just had one stop out.
Guys, we're going to have the Super CTP for trading view in a couple of days.
Oh.
Yeah, great news. Great news for trading view traders. We're going to have the Super CTP toolkit for trading view.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Ari, to interrupt you.
No, it's fine. I was actually thinking about it because I don't like the Ninja, but the trading view is great. So yeah, that's something to think about.
Yeah, sure. But I mean, if you know Trump and you're a friend of him, then you don't really need the signals, because you know that every time Trump tweets something, then that means the signal. That is the signal.
Yeah, he's a good friend of mine. He's coming for dinner tonight.
Oh, okay. Just ask him about the tweets, what he's gonna do next time.
Yeah.
Market got very slow too. So I mean, but this was the signal what I took in live, and that was great too. 07, I just got 2 points on ES, but I could have gotten 07, it went up to almost 10 points.
Is Super CTP available with the Pro subscription? No, Rob, it's only available for CTP students who register for the CTP program. And basically, guys, if you register for the CTP program, you can have the Super CTP toolkit on Ninja and TradingView. Okay, you don't have to buy twice.
If we come back.
But Rob, if you register for the CTP program, you also have access to the Pro plan. Oh, Antoniova is writing, I bought it, guys. It's worth it already after just a few days. I'm very happy for you. I'm not surprised. This is the only methodology that works for me. So there's no reason it will not work for you. You know, I'm very technical. I need strict rules, no gut feeling like Domažkoš. Domažkoš, you feel that the market wants to go up, right? You feel it in your blood.
Yeah, and sometimes I'm not able to change my mind. But many times I got to try it. For example, today it was great.
Futures Girl is asking, are signals available to use in strategy for automated? We have the Super CTP bot, Futures Girl, that takes the signals of the Super CTP indicator. We're going to run a webinar about this bot for our students that will help me beta test it.
When will this webinar be? Do you have a time for that?
No, we need to schedule. First, I want to schedule with the students Q&A session. I've got a few questions and we want to meet and answer those. David, you're asking what's the advantage of TradingView? I like Ninja the most. The Super CTP bot, guys, will only be available on Ninja Trader, not on TradingView. So it's your decision if you want to help me beta test it.
Market got very slow. It was yesterday's high, and we are just not doing anything. No, it was yesterday's close. Oh, so we are at yesterday's price. So all this movement was nothing if you're looking at the daily chart. That's interesting. Yeah, this was when they started, and we are, yeah. So all this movement is nothing, cannot be seen if you're looking at the daily chart.
Futures Girl, I'm going to share with you what we offer in the CTP program.
Guys, if you just take a look at today's price action, this was the day, this was when it started this morning. And I mean, this is a 1 minute chart, but I just put it together. And we have just one signal here. It went up to the green line, that's today's line, another signal there. So if you don't do anything else, just take the high, take the low. We got that, 35 points. That's amazing. That's all what we need to do. That's nice. I'm gonna allocate an account and keep testing this and keep making money with this because I'm very curious if it can work after a couple of weeks. Market got slow and we are moving up higher.
Har, is there a payment plan for the program? Unfortunately, no. But the memorial sale will end tonight, I think. You can check if the coupon code still works. Memorial 20. This is the coupon code
For what? What?
for the CTP program.
Oh, okay. That's the other one. Is my coupon code for Apex in the morning.
Domonkos, it's
You can
it's
get the 9%
$14. It's $14.
Yeah. But
No,
it's
the
my coupon
CTP.
code. Yeah, in the morning, I met some guys and they asked me, so that's why I have it up there. If you want to get the 9% off. That was the high. We came back, tested it. Went up, went down. Slowly, this market, when the market does this, that we are slowly moving up, it's just not for me. I mean, about this trade, I could have gotten still in and stayed in, but no, I left it, unfortunately. Yes, I came back all the way.
Oh, that's interesting. Future, I found you from Jeremy Tang talking about your product last week. He owns Shark. Oh, I don't know him. Sorry. Okay, but nice. I mean, oh, okay. Okay.
That was a nice entry in gold. I just missed it. Broke, came back, retest, and from the line 08, it went down to, let's say, 01. Of course, I wouldn't have stayed in the trade, but I would have gotten 2 or 3 points out of this. 20, 30 ticks on the gold. That would have been nice. Nice reaction. Here, the line. Oh, Nasdaq is moving now. Yes, it's also a little bit.
Guys, I only trade the CTP strategy. This is the only strategy I believe in. Use range charts. Is there more granularity with the indicators? The trigger points are the same on every chart, whether range or Renko or You know, these are prices. These are fixed prices, fixed levels. They do not change. They do not repaint, and they require zero settings to fine tune. So
Order
you can
field, somebody's
you can
order
put it,
field.
yeah, you can put it on your wall in your trading room. They will not change.
Somebody had an order because it said order field.
Not mine.
Is it mine? What is it?
I don't know. But why you didn't short? Yes, look.
There's a line. I don't understand. How can I get out of this?
What happened?
137. Oh, it was a short from the line. Okay. That's interesting. I left it there. I just didn't know about it. And I just heard that order field and I got
And
scared.
you're in green, right?
I was green, yeah. It took me a couple of minutes to get out of the trade.
You left it there and you're green.
Yeah.
This was the easiest trade you've ever had.
Yeah, that's interesting. I left it here probably somewhere on this account. And then
so you passed it.
Yeah, price went up to
Effortless.
20 and a half, came back to 18, and I could get out at 19 and a half. So 1 point, I could get 1 point out of it.
Oh my gosh, it's a huge. I mean, what about consistency? 1 point.
1 point, that's good. Every day just 1 point. I'm gonna check if I have orders on. No orders. Good. Positions, no positions. Good. Okay, so that's how I'm sending 665 and 815 on the other one. That's nice. That's nice.
Look how the market reacted to this line. You chickened out?
Yeah,
Really?
I did.
Why?
Because I didn't want to be in a trade.
Okay. It touched the level? 1 tick drawdown?
Yeah. No, there was no drawdown. No drawdown.
0? Oh, it's also not that good.
Yeah, but because I still think that market is going to go up. Just I had this order here to the tick. There was no drawdown at all. 20 and a half. 5 points. That's interesting.
So your order got filled and 0 drawdown?
0 drawdown. Yeah.
So what's the risk to reward when there's only 0 drawdown?
I don't know. Probably 1 to a million.
Exactly.
That's interesting. All these could be supports. So we might just go down because everybody thinks it's going to go up. And then it breaks and it's going to go down. We have the level at 05.